Yo, the lighting's pretty bad. There's not much I can really do about it though. What's going on, everybody? How we doing? Might be because I have this Fed hat on, the glowy hat. I promise I'm not a part of the FBI. I just got the hat because I thought it was cool. Maybe it's a little corny. Okay, what are we doing today? Today we are resetting Fed. Yeah, I'm not. I'm not actually a Fed, I promise. Okay, yeah. Anyway, what are we doing? Yeah, that's right. We are setting up a new MalDev environment. My previous one has seen the test of time, and now it is time to build a new one. So that's what we're doing today. Cool. Let me see if I can turn chat on. There you go. Cool. Let's have chat. Let me also put it up over here. But sick. All right, that's what we're doing. Let's get to it. So over here I have my virtual machines. I use Kimu KVM. If you want to know how I set up my virtual machines, I do have a video on how I do it already, so I'm not going to cover that. All right, so let's make the new VM. I deleted the old one. Just honestly, I just needed the fresh start, all that stuff. So local install. Let's go ahead and where's my Windows image? Windows ISL. So if you guys are trying to get a good Windows image, by the way, you guys should get one. Ooh, where is it? Microsoft software download, I think. Yeah, go to the Microsoft software download, and you can generate an image. Ooh, Windows 11, bro. That might be interesting because I was just going to use Windows 10. Windows 11. Can you get the ISO for Windows 11 now? Installation assistant. Disk ISO. Whoa. Are we getting Windows 11? Actually, what are the requirements for Windows 11? Windows 11 system requirements. And how's the music? Let me know if the music's too loud, too quiet, whatever. Audio, just keep me up to date. All right, what are the system requirements for Windows 11? Because I'm going to be running it virtually. 4 gigs of RAM. It's not bad. 64 gigabytes of storage. Processor, 2 cores. Internet connectivity, Microsoft accounts. Oh yeah, I don't think you can't install it with yeah, I don't think I can make an offline account. I think you have to use a Windows account. I'm still going to download it. I want to test it out. So we're still going to download this. Real quick, let me check something. I know you guys can't see my screen. I'm just checking stuff real quick. All right, cool. All right, I see in the Discord server someone talking about how to install MalDev tools fast. Oh, sweet. Hop on. All right, let me check. Music's perfect. Nice. I have a question. I play with the payload placement to see how the AV will detect it, and the data resource section. Blah blah blah. What are you saying? AV will. Okay, hold on. You play with the payload placement to see how the AV will detect them. Oh, resource and text weren't detected. Nice. It's just the thing of how antivirus does its signaturing and stuff. It looks super ominous. You see this? Like the dark shadow under my eyes because of this hat. This looks like super like hackery. I feel like we're like cracking into some like, I don't know, we're doing some op or something. Yo, because when I watched your video on the Wi-Fi pineapple and the 4-way handshake, now I'm in IT school. Oh, sweet. That's awesome. You can have an offline account if you deactivate the internet for the VM. Really? Which C2 would you recommend to start with? To build or to use? I think Havoc's pretty good. Mythic, right? Isn't it Mythic C2? Mythic C2, I'm pretty sure. Am I saying that right? Yeah, Mythic. Yeah. That's a good one as well. But if you're trying to build your own, build your own. You know what I mean? I'll probably do some videos on that. Anyway, let's do, where's English, United States? There you go. Can I just, oh, did I download this already? I think I did. Here, let me close these terminals because I don't need these. I was doing some web dev earlier. We don't really need to worry about this right now. CD to down. Nothing? Did I not download it? Okay, I guess I didn't download it. Download. Oh, that's where you had to pick the language. I see what happened. Okay, excuse me. To write an implant, C. It's a language, right? Pick your own protocol. Link is valid. Nice. So we'll let this Windows 11 download. I'm still probably going to do 10. I think Windows 10 is still just kind of... Whoa. The camera got a little laggy. Can you guys hear me still? Okay, cool. Sorry. There was a huge lag spike there. Hold on. I think the camera's a little weird now. Let me make sure everything's good. What OS am I currently using? Yeah. Camera. Yeah, there's a little lag. Let me fix this real quick. While you guys wait, I'll use this. Let me see, webcam. Okay. There you go. Fixed it. All right, cool. What were we saying? What OS do I currently use? Yeah, I use Linux Mint. It's a pretty good operating system. i3WM on it. Yeah, nothing crazy. I have struggles with Havoc. Okay, so this is not Windows 11. This is Windows 10. So let's do Microsoft Windows 10. Win 10. Okay. Bro, just pick the... Okay. What is going on, dude? Win 10. Okay, there you go. Holy. All right, so I have 32 gigs of RAM on this machine. I'm gonna give it 12 gigs of RAM. I think 12 is good. Here, 12 gigabytes to... What does it measure in? Megabytes? Or is it kilobytes? 1200. I want to use the proper numbering. Do you know what I mean? Like if I use 4 gigabytes, it's like 4096. Hold on, I want to use the accurate. Yeah, so 1 gigabyte is 1024. So 12 times 1024. So that's 12,288. Right, because if I do 4 times 1024, it should be 4096. Whoops. Yeah, okay. So that's the number I need. Whoops. Okay. What the hell? Oh yeah. All right, 12,288. Okay, and I think that should be fine. Up to, yeah, I think that's fine. And then 2 cores or 2 CPU cores should be fine. I don't think I need any more than that. Yo, it's me, Ice. Thanks again for the vid. Oh, what's up, Ice? Nice to meet you, or see you in the chat. Can I do a video on HackRF? I don't have one. If y'all want to send me one, no, I'm just kidding. Is 2 cores fine? Should I I don't want to crank it up to 4 because I still have like a host machine, you know. I think 2 is fine. Especially because I'm streaming. I don't want to like lessen the capabilities that I already have. You know what I mean? I feel like you can always increase it. So we'll keep 2 for now. All right. 800 cores minimum. Yeah, you're right. It is Windows after all. All right. So for storage, I want to use at least like, okay, because I know the 40 gigabytes it has here is like the barest of minimums. What did the site say for system requirements? 64 gigabytes or larger? I know we're doing 10. I want to do like maybe, I want to do more than 100, honestly. The stream is low delayed. Yes, Duckling, just so you know. Yeah, we'll just do, we'll do 180. I feel like that's a good number. I'm starting to run slower, low on storage. I need to, I don't know, do an upgrade or something. I might get a new laptop eventually. Maybe the, what do you call it? The framework. All right, let's see how this goes. Okay, installing Windows. Did I miss any questions? How can I bypass EDR or any Defender? Dude, I don't know, obfuscation? Other tactics? All right. This is not laggy at all. Okay. Next, install now. Yeah, installing a virtual machine while streaming wasn't the smartest idea, but it'll be fine. We'll be fine. Yeah, we'll let that do its thing. Did the Windows 11 finish? It did. I kind of want to try it. I want to see if we could actually get Windows 11. I don't know though. I have honestly never used Windows 11. Actually, no, I did use it one time on a separate machine. I have a separate laptop. I don't know where it is. Yeah, on this thing, I have Windows 11, but it's okay. I love them to death. If I can ever buy one, I will. But right now, yeah, the freaking framework, dude. They just dropped a new one too, right? Framework laptop. Oh yeah, my dark mode's on. Okay, flashbang everyone. I'm sorry. Yeah, firmware laptop. So what's, oh, so 13-inch and 16-inch, I'm assuming. Yeah, I'm just waiting for it to come in black, honestly. Oh, that dude that looks so nice, dude. Yeah, let me look at the framework 13. Yeah, the whole right to repair like concept and everything like that is just so beautiful. Yeah. Maybe one day. All right, let's go back to dark mode because I'm not trying to melt my freaking eyes. I don't have a product key. All right, so we're going to do Pro. Pro tip, if you guys are trying to install Windows 10 offline, Pro makes it really easy to do that. So custom install, yeah, the 180 gigabytes. Nice hat. Thank you. Thank you. I thought it was funny. Yeah, honestly, there's gonna be a lot of waiting in the stream because we're just yeah, my camera's gonna be really laggy because of the install we're doing. Yeah. It's all good though. It's part of the process, you know? Yeah, see, my freaking camera's being weird. Here, while we do this, I'll just switch to the other cam. There you go. Yeah, we'll just use the voice for now, just so that way you don't have to worry about all the freaking camera lag while we install a virtual machine. We'll bring it back on later. I just don't want you guys to have to deal with like the weird annoyance of it. Okay, so we can close this. We can close this as well. And let's actually look at some of the tools we're going to need to install. So first thing we're going to need is to go on Space, download the HTML. So if you guys are using Kimu KVM, this makes it really easy to have the like virtual machine tools that you typically need, like to copy and paste into and out of your virtual machine. And another thing we're going to need is malware DNA saved on here. Malware DNA. I do have it. Nice. Cool. So videos, and then tools for malware development. Cool. And these are some of the tools we're going to need. Obviously, you don't need all these things, but it makes it a lot easier to have like a reference point. I would also like to get like maybe a NeoVim set up on the virtual machine. Have any of you guys used NeoVim on Windows? I haven't. I haven't tried much of that, but I really like my NeoVim setup. It's just like, I don't know, it just makes everything nice and easy. Especially because like I have so much like configured on it already. I don't have to redo all that stuff all over again, you know? You said you used NeoVim on Windows, works fine. All right, bet. That's good to know. Cool. Your browser wallpaper is cool. Thank you. This one. Yeah. You guys can make something similar. I think the extension is called Tablets. Manage extensions. Which one is it? Yeah, Tablets. It just allows you to customize your front page. It doesn't come with the GIF, but you guys can find some cool GIFs to put on your browser so you can have something similar to this. If there's like if I can export it somehow, I'll add it to my dot files. I don't think I can though. Oh, export. Tablets.json. Okay, I'll add that to my I'll add that to my dot files later if you guys want my freaking, I don't know, Firefox. I honestly didn't think that was gonna work. That was just kind of out the blue. Why does the Windows logo look so weird? You see that? It's like all. I think I can turn my webcam back on now. I think it's. Oh no, it's freaking webcam. Here. There you go. Okay. Webcam is back online. You can also have custom CSS for Firefox. Yeah, I know something about that. Yeah. The webcam is still being kind of weird. Yeah. Maybe I should wait a little bit longer. I'll leave this on for now. It's honestly because I'm just installing. Like, you can see my CPU spiking at the bottom here. It's just because I'm installing this freaking operating system. Maybe when it's done, it should be a little bit more stable. US. Skip layout. View. Scale display always. There you go. Just make it a little bit bigger. What virtual machine software do you guys use? Do you guys use QMill, or are you guys on like VirtualBox, VMware? I don't know what the other ones are. Maybe you're just living off of a Docker container, like Chasm or something. That's funny. I'm trying to think of other things I want to cd dev. Yeah, I'm trying to see. Yeah, the malware DNA repository, honestly, you're just gonna have to clone onto the freaking virtual machine. Also, I wonder if anyone in the server knows a lot about ASCII art. I would love to make an animation like your background. I was thinking, okay, so there's, I don't know if he's on the server or not. Oreo, but yeah, he is. At Duckling. This is the ASCII art guy. There you go. Yeah, Oreo Byte. He did the ASCII art for just to give you guys people context. I'm also talking in Discord. But yeah, Oreo Byte, you guys should check him out. He's he did the ASCII art for Only Rat, and I think one other project. I think was it Spider Cat? I don't even remember. VMware for now. I use VirtualBox, by the way. Cool. Got you. All right, set up for personal use. And then you should be able to make an offline account just like that. Perfect. Yep. You don't even have to worry about anything like that. Whoops. Offline account. And then limited experience. Cool. Who's going to use this PC? Blue Cosmo. Create a super memorable password. Okay. Security question. What's our pet's name? Our pet's name is Flipper 0. I don't really care about the security questions because it's not like I can recover. Childhood nickname was Cosmo. Yeah. Name of the first. What city was I born? I was born in O Block. Alright, I think let me see if the webcam works now. Oh my gosh, bro. This webcam is trash, dude. I'll buy a new one eventually. Anyway. I have access to recent browsing. No. I'm good. Oh my gosh, dude. Turn all that off. Except skip. No. Okay, and now Windows is going to take its 30 minutes to. Bro, I love how like the difference between like installing Windows and installing Linux is just so funny to me. Like there's like such a huge gap between the two. Cool. Let me see if I can fix this freaking camera while we wait. Yeah, I think it's a little beyond saving. Yeah, you guys can see the camera's gone. You see that? Yeah, so we're just sticking with this for now. I'm sorry, guys. Have I seen the new Snapdragon CPU, by the way? No, I don't think so. Let's look that up while we're here. Snap. I deserve to be a Snapdragon insider. Oh, thank you. Okay, it worked. Looks like everything's good. Let's go ahead. Let's get started with Microsoft Edge. I'm excited. The new Microsoft Edge. Nice. All right, can we complete this up? I don't want to. I don't. No. Okay. Oh my gosh. So let's go to Spice. Space.com, or is it .org? I honestly don't even remember. There you go. Download. Windows Spice Gets Tools. Open file. Yes. Yes. Next. I agree. Oops, sorry guys. I didn't realize that was on the wrong window. Install. Cool. Yeah, right now we're just installing the Space tools. Let's also fix our window because this looks goofy. Display. Where's 1920, 1080? Keep changes. Can we increase the zoom just a little bit? Okay, that's perfect. Oh, never mind. I forgot I was going to we can close this one. Yeah, when Spice installs, it's going to reset the window size and all that stuff. Let's do that again. So 1920, 1080. Where is it? There you go. Keep changes, and then not 150%. That's way too big. No, like 125. Okay, nice. So the next thing we need to do is I need to use into registry cat personalize windows.registry. There you go. So we're going to need to use this. Actually, what we can probably do is, I mean, this should work now because we have Spice installed. We should just be able to, where's personalized windows registry? Just drag in there. Perfect, that works. And let's go ahead and install this. Yes, yes, perfect. Okay, and we can delete that. All that did was just make the like taskbar black and some other things that are kind of difficult to do if you can't activate Windows. Overthinker, what is up? Let's go back on Edge because we are going to need to go on 98.com. Okay, so let's go ahead. We'll install Firefox because it's easy and simple, and a little bit more privacy respecting the crown, but I think everyone knows there's a limit. Do I want to get Discord? Be modern, use Winget. I don't think I've ever used Winget. What? Or Choco. I know about Choco, but I haven't used Winget. Missing me in the war room. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I've never used this before. Search for the app name. Bro, I didn't even know Windows was like that, bro. Let's get the... Yeah, because I can't even do half of this stuff. This looks nice, though. I kind of want to look into this now. To use Winget. Alright, so how do you install Winget? Preview version? Install Winget. Oh, it's on the Microsoft Store? That's funny. Any text editor suggestions? Yeah, dude. NeoVim. That's what I use. Right? It comes installed on Windows 11. I'm not using Windows 11 right now. I'm using 10. I'm not sure if I want to actually use Windows 11 right now. You said and 10? What? PowerShell. Well, I just installed it on the store, so. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, sugar. All right. So Winget search Firefox. Yeah, sure. Oh, wow. And then you can just use installs the given package. Oh, this is great for scripting. See, this is why I stream. You guys introduce so much new stuff to me. So Winget install Mozilla Firefox. Multiple packages found. Refine input. Is there one that is like superior over the other? Do I do Mozilla.Firefox? Do I just do the ID? That looked like it worked. But yeah, NeoVim is a good editor. I'll see in W, for example. Right, you guys can see like some of the stuff I'm working on. Yeah. So if you're looking for something other than VS Code, it's something I can recommend. Successfully installed. Wow. Okay, well, the good news is we can take this off our taskbar. We can also just close that. All right. It says default file, import from Fusius. Yeah, sure, whatever. Skip the step. Skip the step. Skip the step. Start browsing. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is What did I want to do? Hold on. Yeah, that's right. Pretty boy Cosmo.files. Okay, it didn't open my .files at all, but it's fine. I'll just open them myself. .wallpapers. Kid Cosmo black. And set as desktop wallpaper. Set as background. Cool. There you go. All right, that's nice. So we still have a ton of tools to install. Malware, DNA, Cosmodium, CS, Malware DNA. And then we need to go to, here, let me see if I full screen this. Oh yeah, there you go. Now it looks like I'm on a normal Windows computer. I gotta love virtual machines, man. That's just such a cool like piece of tech. Or I guess piece of software, but even still, just, I love how easy it is to run different computers on your computer. Even still. Do you ever think about that? Like how cool some of this stuff is? Okay, so we have Firefox. I don't think I'm going to get Discord yet. I already have it on my host machine. I don't really need to have it if I can just get out of the VM and use my Discord on my host. Plus, I'm trying to keep this as conservative as possible. I don't want too much stuff bothering my setup. Okay, so one thing real quick we're going to do is colors. Can we choose the color we use? Oh no, you just have to, yeah, because we're not activated. I know there's like activation scripts for Windows. I might look into those. They're not like super like malware-y. I think that'd be nice. Okay, interesting. Taskbar. So there's some task settings I want to do. So for the search, we're just going to show icon, and then user interest, we're just going to turn off, and we're not showing Cortana. Nice. Okay. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, I know there's scripts for it. I haven't looked into it too much. Okay, cool. So the next thing we need to do is, now that we have Firefox, let's go and start installing the tools we need. So I am still going to use 9.8 for some stuff. I know you guys just showed me Winget, but it just does make some of the stuff easier for the backend framework. So where's JRE? That's 17. Is that 21? Is that the latest? 64-bit JRE. That's 21. Jerry. Not Joe Rogan experience, bro. Java. Oh, that's funny, dude. What's the latest version? I just Java runtime environment. What we should do is create a PowerShell script that uses Winget and stuff to create instead of the. Yeah, see, like as soon as you showed me Winget, I figured like, okay, this is something I definitely need to like end up automating. Here, let me try Winget. Winget search Jerry. Let's search for the Joe Rogan experience. JRE 2017, Java 8, moniker JRE. Okay, you know what? I can install multiple packages at the same time, right? The Joe Rogan experience was responsible for log4shell, everybody. I'm just letting you guys know. All right, let's open the notepad because I think you're right. I haven't used PowerShell in actually forever. So I'm sorry if my PowerShell is bad. Malware development. Here, real quick. So I want word wrap on always. Fonts. Let's go to like 18. There you go. Is that better for you guys? Can you see that? I might even increase that a little bit more. Let's do 22. All right, Malware development. Is this how you do comments in PowerShell? I honestly have not used PowerShell in forever. Like this is embarrassing. I have not used PowerShell in so freaking long, dude. CD to dev. Do I have a PowerShell directory? No, list all grep power or ps1. Okay. I don't know where all these files are. See into. Oh, can I use fuzzy finder? How do you use fuzzy finder, dude? I don't even know. Reconnaissance advanced recon. I think that's not even my script. That's ps1. Oh, that's pretty cool. So ps1 here. Create admin.ps1. How do you pipe that into Vim? Honestly, I don't even know. V privesc create admin. Doesn't have any comments. Oh, you know what I can do? I'm freaking stupid, dude. Seeing marks. Actually, no, seeing only rat. Seeing two installers. And I'm going to lurk for a bit. All good. It's possible to install WinDefender locally to check my malwares if they are detected without using online services like anti-scam. Probably. Hey, bro, do you give CTFs or stuff? Give CTFs? Like do CTFs? Not fully. I used to do a lot of CTFs. CD. Oh wait, no, it should be payloads. Yeah, v2.ps1. No, v g2.ps1. There you go. Yeah. Okay. So I was already doing this wrong. It's been so long, dude. I feel like a freaking noob. Malware development. Environment installation script created by Cosmo. Okay. So if Winget is already installed by default, so we can just do Winget install. And I'm assuming you can just do multiple packages chained together, right? So we did Mozilla Firefox earlier. Yeah, Mozilla.Firefox. And then I'm assuming you can chain it together. So let's see if we can get the Java runtime environment. Moniker JRE. So this looks like that's the name. 1 second. One second. Okay, I'm like struggling to figure this stuff out. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Let's let's get going. What were we doing? Scripting, right? So let's see if this script works. And do a winget install. Okay, you know what I should do before we keep going? Let's make a snapshot. Base install. In case we fuck shit up with winget. Oh man. Cool. So this way we can just go back if we're trying to use Winget and we're installing all these RON packages, we can go back pretty easily. But yeah, thanks for bringing Winget to my attention. I knew about it, but I never really used it. So yeah, that's cool. Cool. So let's keep going and we'll install the Oracle Java runtime environment. So my question is if we can, yeah, just chain things together. So the next things we need to install is the .NET framework and just one other thing. Try out Emacs. Yeah, no, it's yeah, Emacs is all right. I honestly haven't used it. I've been glued to the world of NeoVim. What's up, Black? How you doing? So VLC, Java runtime, .NET desktop. Yeah, we need the .NET desktop. Here, let me actually open .NET again real quick, just so I can see what I'm looking for. So .NET desktop runtime. All right. So winget search. Can I type in .NET? Microsoft .NET SDK preview. Oh, shoot. I think I need the runtime. Yeah, that's what I need. So Microsoft .NET runtime. Why is it the 9.0 preview? .NET Microsoft 9. So in .NET 9.0. Preview 1. Yeah, I think .8.0 is just like the stable one. So we're just going to use that. And then you got any resources for Linux malware development? I made spyware for Windows, but I want to try it out on Linux. I don't think I have any direct resources. Maybe Pong College might have some good stuff on it. All right, so we need runtime 8. So I want to add this to the end here because I want to try appending installations. So we're going to do this one. And then we're also going to do, what else did I need? LibreOffice. So let's do a, winget search, what do you call it? LibreOffice. It has them key bindings. Okay. He said an add doom. Keep hearing about it. Maybe I'll try that one day. The Document Foundation, LibreOffice, LTS. Cool. I think that's the one I want. So let's try that. So what I'm going to do now is let's see if we can just append the packages like this. So we'll get this. We'll do winget install those two. So that should install both of them. And now it's doing LibreOffice. Sweet. Okay, so we can append packages, which is nice. So we can have this Winget install made. Let's go ahead and save this install.ps1. We'll just save it to our desktop for now. Cool. While that's installing, let's look at the next stuff that we need and close this. So we have Firefox. I'm gonna get VLC. It would be nice to have a media. Actually, I think the default stuff is fine. Yeah, we don't really need VLC. We had the Java runtime. We had .NET. We have Libre. Okay, now we need Python and 7-zip definitely. Yes. Please wait while Windows configures LibreOffice. Okay, you take your sweet freaking time. Well, we're trying to get Python 3. All right, so let's see if we can get Python to install. It already has one PowerShell open, so we'll just open another one. Winget search. See, I'm typing, but nothing is coming out. There you go. Winget search. Python 3. Hello? 3. This virtual machine's getting like really slow, dude. You see this? It's mostly because I'm installing the freaking LibreOffice. So it says Python 3.12. So if I just do Python 3, will it just get the latest Python 3? Because I don't have to manually remember like what versions to install. You know what I mean? Because I don't have to update the script. Because even with this, I don't want to like fall behind with the version numbers. Like Mozilla Firefox will always be the latest version. This will always be the latest version. Let's see if we can find the search for .NET. Because there may be, yeah, like this. Tag is .NET. Interesting. Yeah, I'll figure that out as I go. Winget install Python.python 3 works for you. Okay. Oh, so you don't have to worry about the latest version. You can just do that. Okay, so in that case, if that works, then I'm assuming I can cut out the .8 and just get the runtime latest. I'm assuming. Maybe I'll try it real quick. Yeah, so if I do it without the 8, no package found, missing input criteria. Got you. So I think I do need the .8 here. But if I do Python.python 3, you said this worked for you? Let me see how this looks. No, not for me. Python.python 3. Maybe I need the dot there. No. winget install tech id python.python. Oh, tech ID, I see. No. Maybe I need that .3 at the end. Python.python 3 . So I guess I just need to reference the whole whole version then. We'll get install. Oh yeah, that works. I wish this thing had a freaking dark mode, dude. This was this blinding ass freaking window. I know Windows 11 has a dark mode. Oh, use Windows Winget install Python 3. That worked? All right, well, when this finishes, I'll try that out. Okay, let's try what you tried. Wet install Python 3. Okay, that works. So that's what we'll put in the script. Because, okay, so does that mean, can I just do that with the freaking .NET runtime, or do I? .NET. No. Yeah, that's not what I was trying to get. .NET runtime. All right, it doesn't matter. We'll figure all that other stuff out later. Cool. So we have Python 3. We have those other things. Where's some other stuff we need? 7-zip, yeah. So let's get 7-zip. Let's close one of these windows. We don't need both of these. Okay. So winget. I can also make this a little bit bigger, probably. Okay, make this video. Edits. Here, properties. Fonts. Let's do like 20. Is that better for you guys? I don't know. I think there's a 10 text silent. Probably, but I don't think that was the right .NET. It's like .NET clone. I don't know what that means. I'm cooking on my setup. I used to have that wallpaper. Yeah, just so you guys can see. Yeah, this is what my parrot used to like. Any old viewers on watching right now who saw my my freaking parrot setup way back when? I doubt it. Winget. Install 7-zip. Cool. So that works. Bruh. Yes. Oh, so text silent will just at the end maybe. We'll see how that works. So Python 3, 7-zip. Okay, so we got all these tools. Editors, we're going to need Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code, and HXD. Okay, so let's see if I just type in Visual Studio. Okay, let's search for it. So Winget search Visual Studio. Oh, do I have to put this in quotes? So it knows it's one argument. Okay, so community. Yeah, because we're going to need both Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code. So yeah, Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio Community. These are interesting ID names. Is that T3W? I don't even know what that is, T3W. I can also close some of these. I don't really need this stuff anymore. What repo am I reading? It's my malware analysis development, or my malware development and analysis repo. Yeah, I'll share it with you guys. Yeah, literally all of my videos that have to do with malware development or analysis have been uploaded to this repository. So like, for example, all my videos around like malware development and stuff, all the source code for the malware that I make in the videos, I upload here. So that way, if you guys are trying to follow along with the tutorials, this is a good resource for you to have, just so you can be able to easily access that source code. The Linux environment, yeah, my Linux system is i3. Here, let me close this. I don't need that anymore. I'm gonna just leave this Neo fetch up just for people to. Rux, what's up? I am winning. I'm always winning. Winning at life. Okay, so what else do I need? Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code. So let's see if we can install these. So winget install. We will. Oh, I forgot that it's a Linux thing and that does not work on Windows. Okay, I tried to use the middle scroll wheel to drop down. Oops. What was the last letter in that? Q? There you go. So let's see if that works. Package agreements were not agreed to. What do you mean? Do I just do like a tech Y? Package agreements were not agreed to. Tech all and tech upset. Oh, there's a Winget upgrade all, so you can just upgrade the versions you have. Is that what it is? That's pretty neat. So let's try that at the end. Okay, there you go. We'll add that to the script. Actually, hold on. Cancel. Let's also try the silent while we're here. Actually, no, I don't really want silent on the Visual Studio example because, oh, we'll try it. We'll see what happens. Dude, this is neat, bro. I'm totally making... Oh, Winget is weird with upgrading. Interesting. Yeah, silent may have not been the right idea because I do want to access the arguments and stuff. You've done a lot of scripting with Winget? All right, I'm gonna holler at you because I think making a automation script for the MalDev environment would be cool. The only thing I need is like .NET and C. So yeah, everything else is kind of pointless. I'm not going to be using Python in this. I doubt. You know what? I'll add it just because I do some MalDev stuff. And I maybe would work on the C2 with it. I do Linux too. That's all I'm getting though. Install while downloading and install. Cool. The only thing with code is that like there's options for you to open certain directories in code, and I kind of like that. So if it didn't auto do that, I would kind of want to add that functionality. Here, like users, Blue Cosmo. First of all, let's add Blue Cosmo to quick access. Is there like a quick access? There you go. Let's make a new folder and we'll just call this development. And then you should be able to like click on the folder and open it with code or something like that. Yeah, that didn't really do it. I guess it's not that big of a deal, but let me see if it added the alias like code. Will that open Visual Studio? Man, I love how fast Windows is. When I think of fast operating systems, I think of Windows. Saving it for later? What are you saving for later? Code is not recognized. Of course it's not. Okay, so as cool as it would be to install Visual Studio Code silently, it isn't the best idea. Okay, so is there a Winget like remove? Why is this so slow, dude? Oh my. Oh, it's because we're installing Visual Studio Code. Bros VM on live. Yeah, it's because I'm streaming. Oh, that's so funny, dude. All right, yeah, Winget. Actually, let's search real quick for Visual Studio. Bro, you see this? How much RAM did I give the thing? I gave it like 12 gigs of RAM, bro. I'm pretty sure. Memory? Yeah, it's 12 gigabytes right there. Let's look at its performance. Yeah, CPU's through the roof. What do you mean using 0 megabytes of RAM? What do you mean? That is not that is not right. I know that's not right. Oh, that's so funny. Something's not right. So Visual Studio Code is this one. Winget. Let's see if it's remove. Yeah, CPU is being sent. Yeah, that thing is being sent, bro. What does Windows say? Yeah. Task manager. 1 hour later and you code nothing. Yeah. That sounds about right. CPUs at the roof. Okay, so memory is being used. Yeah, Visual Studio installer is definitely cranking that thing out. Should I have added more cores? Actually, you know what, dude? Let's get Codium. That was such a nerdy ass sentence, but is Codium on here? Oh, I just didn't even search for it. Yeah, VS Codium. Let's get that. Oh, wait, what version of Windows am I on? Windows 10? That is Windows Task Manager? Yeah, no, I'm on 10. On this virtual machine is 10. I considered 11, and then I was like, I don't know. We can try 11 like in another stream and like poke at it. But like my analysis machines are like 10 already, so I was like, and no, DoD still uses 10. So I was as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, not sure what version he's on. Which language are you going to use for the malware? C. I haven't even started building out or the malware stuff yet. I'm just trying to make the environment right now. Because my old one was just like, got a little slow, got pretty cluttered. I had a lot of projects that were just messing it. I just wanted a fresh start. Can Visual Studio finish, please? Okay, it said VS Codium installed. Yeah, so let's see what's going on here. Cool. 11 isn't horrible. I don't know. I see a lot of people use this high contrast theme. I don't know. What's the theme I like? Isn't it like dark ocean or some stuff like that? I honestly don't even remember. It's like ocean dark or something like that. I know I used to use Lemon Tree theme. Was it Lemon Tree? Lemon Tree. This is a pretty good theme. For all time's sake, I'm gonna install this one actually. Yeah. We'll set up our extensions later. I want to get the rest of the packages installed. I use 11, it's not bad. Okay. Are you using Cascadia? Yes, I am. I am using Cascadia. Yes. I love Cascadia code. It's an amazing thing. Or amazing font, sorry. I like the font ligatures too. Yeah. Just turn off the telemetry and stuff. All right, I'll think about it. But I also couldn't. I wanted to install an offline account, and I don't think you can do that with Windows 11, as far as I know, unless you install it offline. Is that right? But you have to set up the network interface card. And I was like, you know what? Let's just do Windows 10. I'm just developing on this anyway. Why the need for Java and stuff? Because this is my dev environment. So I'm gonna have Ghidra on here. I'm gonna have some basic analysis tools as well. That's why. If I could get away from the software I use, I'd probably use Linux. Yeah, Linux as a main has been one of the best decisions I've made my entire life. I'm just gonna keep this NeoFetch up here, honestly. But yeah, I think it was a well worth decision for me. But I understand entirely why people can't just jump ship to Linux. Like there's a lot of proprietary software. Yeah. Okay, so we can close this. We have Visual Studio. Okay, we need HXD. So Winget install H. Is it just HXD? Can I just do that? Will that work? Oh, nice. All right, we'll add that to the collection. Kill Hacker Pilot, which screenshots in interval. Yeah, I saw that. That was so sketch, dude. That was 50 Shades of Sketch, bro. I was yeah. It's not spyware, it's a feature. That's going to be the new thing. Yes, install. Okay. Is that it for the tools? I think I'm missing a few. So we have our editors, the Visual Studio workflows. We already covered that. Visual Studio Code extensions. That's the majority of it. There's still a few tools I need to get on here, but for right now, let's get our extensions that we need. There you go. All right, so Python 3, MS Python install. I'm using 11 since release. It's not bad. It's going to be. I just turned off the telemetry. It's not horrible. Now we have Cocker, blah blah. What language is best to learn for cybersecurity and malware development? For cybersecurity, Python. For malware development, C. So learn both. I'll DM a link that tells you to install Windows 11 with a local account. Okay. You know what? I will either in this stream or another stream, we'll boot up the Windows 11 virtual machine just because I like to have one anyway. And we'll see how good that works out. Cool. What other things do I need to install? So Python, let's get the hex editor. And then PowerShell. This is the reason I actually got good at PowerShell is because of this extension, because it corrects you on how to use proper PowerShell syntax over the Linux integration syntax. So all right, so C++. MS VS Code. Okay, where's your C++? Okay, so the C++ extension pack, better syntax, CMake, Doxygen, CMake, C++ runner, config. It's not a bad extension pack. I don't know if I want to install all these. The bleeding edge of C++ syntax. I don't even know what that means. Is there anything I don't want on here? Doxygen documentation from your source code for you. That's pretty cool. I don't think I'm that invested. PowerShell is really easy once you get into it. Yeah, definitely. But that's like 9 things. Is there like a... I might install these manually. I'll install this one. CMake format. I'll install that. Doxygen. What is this? Is this just like language support? .docs. Oh, for documentation. Yeah, we're not going to install that. So skip that. Skip that. CMake is a definite one. Is there anything else I want from here? Native debugger. Debug C++. Yeah, we actually do need a good debugger. So, I mean, I already have x64. Oh, x64. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff I need to get on here. Get the Clippy. How do you set up C for VS Code? I don't really use like VS Code that much. I use it more for videos because it's what you guys use. But I do the majority of my development on NeoVim. All right, is there anything else that I need here? C++ runners would be kind of clutch. Config. And then, yeah, so we'll get some assembly. All right, close this. Yeah, okay, I'm happy with that. So moving on from that, let's get nim. All right, Yara rules, because we do a lot of malware analysis stuff. Where's the Yara? Yara support. All right, and then obviously got to get the Vim syntax stuff. So where is Vim? There it is. Nice. Okay, so that's the majority of what we need from Visual Studio Code. So from that other stuff, we also need to get like nim and stuff like that. Let's actually go into, where's Windows Defender, like security and stuff. Yeah, update security. Windows Security. So open Windows Security. We are going to turn off automatic sample submission. We'll leave real time on for now. Honestly, we'll just turn it off. I don't really care. Control folder access exclusions. All right, yes. Let's make 2 exclusions. I want to make a exclusion on our development directory. And then we'll make another exclusion on the C directory. Cool. Close this. Close this. Cosmo's fighting his VM. yeah, that's typically what typically what's going on. But yeah, we're just setting up a malware development environment. My last one was pretty shitty, so I just wanted to make a new one for some better development. All right, so let's look into installing nim. So like things like nim and mean-w, yeah. Right. So I know you guys are saying like use Winget. So Winget search nim nimble nim programming language. It says 2.0. Is that the latest version? Honestly, I have no idea. Oh, and we do need main W. Okay, what is this? Done installing? Nice. Thank you, Visual Studio Code. I appreciate it. Okay. The VM is putting up a good fight. Okay, it's smooth now. It's not as annoying now. I think it's because I was streaming and trying to install like the most bloated piece of software of all time, aka Visual Studio. So sue me. But yeah, I want to see what version is the latest version right now. 2.0.4. What's on Winget right now? 2.0.0. So yeah, that's a little behind, isn't it? Nim programming language. We're also going to need Nimble. Waifu 2x GUI. What the? Okay, that's funny. Anyway, so yeah, let's go ahead. We'll install nim from the site. I think it'll just be easier, but I'll add the yeah 64-bit. Oh, that's right. You just add this directory to your okay, so this is what we're going to do. So we're going to go to Blue Cosmo. We're going to go add development to quick access. Here, we're going to make a toolbox for us to add to our path. So we'll do toolbox and let's go ahead, path. And then let's go to environment variables, path, edit, and a new line. We'll add the toolbox as a path. Okay. So in toolbox, we can now go to downloads, NIM 2024, and put it into development. Yeah. I almost look like Justice Smith. Do I know who that is? Justice Smith? Bruh. Bruh. I'm not far off. Maybe distant cousins or something. That's funny. Which materials would you advise to learn obfuscation and evasion tactics? I guess Maldev Academy has some pretty good stuff on it. I haven't covered that much on it. I might in the near future. We'll close this. Okay, so let's make sure, is this still doing this thing? It is still doing this thing. All right, we'll just wait for you to take your sweet ass time. Not far off. Winget relies on others to keep the repository, and the other maintainers are official devs. Got you. So you say you like use Choco instead? I haven't used Chocolate that much outside of like installing what do you call it? Okay, hold on. Bin. There you go. So let's add this to our path as well. So environment variables, path, new, and there you go. So now if we type nym, okay, hold on. This isn't Linux, this isn't Linux, this isn't Linux. You can't control D out of a freaking PowerShell window because this is not Linux. Nym, there you go. All right, so nym works. Do we have mean W? Okay. Can we like create a very basic nym file? New item proof of concept.nym, notepad proof of concept.nym, echo hello world. I'm pretty sure that's nym stuff. I honestly forgot. Nym cr proof of concept. No, I don't think I'm doing that right. Is it tech r? Cannot request domain GCC. Oh, so yeah, we need to install a compiler. So yeah, let's just get mean W. So let's go to our downloads. We can delete this. First of all, view. Let's get all these enabled. Cool. 7-zip, extract here. Okay, and let's go to mean W. Got you. All right, so we'll take mean W. We'll go to development. Let's add our toolbox to quick access, and then we'll paste mean W in here. Let's go to the bin directory, copy this, and in our environment variable path, new. Again, this is stuff we probably want to automate within the script. And Chocolate handles path variables on install. Get the Microsoft terminal. Yeah, I forgot about that. Terminal, Windows terminal. No thanks. Cool. Launch. Nice. Okay, maybe I will hate myself slightly less by using this. Okay, so just making sure nym is added. Cool. Let's list our files. We should have the proof of concept.nym, nymc tech r, proof of concept.nym. Trying to use GCC. How do you do the compiler specification? Yeah, I honestly don't even know what I'm doing. Last time I installed this, it worked by itself pretty fine, but I guess, I don't know. I guess the world isn't as nice as a place as it used to be. Toolbox, nym. Oh, that's right. You need to run the finish.exe. cd here /finish.exe. Nibble.bin is not in your path variable. Should we add it? Yes. Yes. Would you like nim to be in your start menu? Sure, why not? Cool. Can we use nib? Can we compile now? Oh, run directory. cd dot. Is that right? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna jump. I'm just gonna jump. I'm just this is not working. Nims c proof of concept.nim. There you go. I just had to open it again. // proof of concept.exe hello world. All right, cool. It works. I just needed to restart the terminal, I guess. All right, so there's some other things I want to install on here. So I guess yeah, how do I want to do this? Because things like x64 dbg, process hacker. Here, let me see. Do I specify the tools? No, I don't. I guess my tools for malware development video, maybe. Does PowerShell 5.4 have a
switch to Chrome to protect yourself?
Oh my gosh. We're muting that. Hey, I'm gonna watch this whole ad though. You know why? Because I'm gonna get my 3 cents from watching this. There you go. All right, I'm done being stupid. So let's check out the tools I mentioned. Launch Visual Studio, Sysinternals. So x64 dbg. Let's see how we get that. Winget. Can we make this look a little bit prettier? Settings. Color schemes. Okay, we'll go solarized. Says default. Save. Can we change the font? The font is more important because the font size is what you guys are looking at. I want it to be readable for you guys. Appearance. I also just need to know how to make the font bigger. That's all I need. Is there a search? No, of course you can't search settings. Why would you be able to search settings? It makes too much freaking sense. It has to be around here somewhere. Maybe I saw it already and I just failed to notice somehow. All right, whatever. I tried. It's too late now. Oh, that's kind of neat. Yeah, look at that solarized. All right, we'll just zoom in like that. All right, so back to Winget. Let's see if we can have Winget default under profiles. Has Microsoft ever made a good product? That's a great question. You said defaults under profiles. Default profile. Is that what you're talking about? Oh, defaults. I see. I see. Ah, there you go. There you go. All right, let's make this like 22 maybe. All right, so if I open up a new tab, there you go. That should be a lot easier for you guys to read. Cool. So Winget search, and we need to do x64. Let's see if DBG will pop up. Ah, IDA. Nice. Maybe if I add DBG. Okay, we're just going to have to install that manually. x64 DBG. Download. They make a lot of great stuff that they don't ship with Windows. Power Toys is one. That's like me forking something on GitHub and calling it my own. Oh, that's funny. I don't know. SourceForge always seems so sketchy to me. Like I know, like these are by like the official developers or whatever, but like just something. There's something about SourceForge that just makes me scared. Especially because I turned antivirus off now. All right, unpin this. Unpin this. Honestly, I don't even think we need this. Is Python now in our environment? Python. Okay, cool. So I think it's just Python. If I do Python 3, will it still work? Nope, it's going to be like, Windows wants you to do this. Do we have pip? Okay, that's all we need. What were we doing? Oh, yes. Installing x64. I think we just got the executable downloads. We'll extract all. Extract. Okay. Let's rename this to x64 32 dbg. Cut. We'll go to our toolbox and put this in here. Let's go in here. Let's go and release. And yeah, x96. We'll just more info. Run anyway. Yes. 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 Okay. So let's pin this one so that way we can just choose between the two. Oh, we just did this already. Whoops. Okay, cool. Well, I'll go ahead and let's see if we can. Honestly, I think it's fine. Actually, I won't add it to the environment. What games do I play? I honestly don't play that many games. Minecraft is about the extent of my video game activities. I think on console I'll usually play Call of Duty sometimes, but that's like a on occasion, like once every 3 months. So another thing I want to get is Process Hacker. So we'll make a little note in the script that we couldn't install. We'll just say failed packages x64 32 dbg and nim. Today's sushi dough. Get some sushi. Sushi day? What kind of malware are we working on? We haven't even started development yet. Okay. I'm probably going to do some C2 stuff coming up. I want to do some C2 tutorials and things like that. But for right now, we're just getting our environment set up. All right, so let's see if we can get Process Hacker installed. Winget search Process Hacker. Okay, another fill package. Process Hacker, and we'll install it from the website directly. So downloads, setup. Down. Whoa. No, I don't want to download System Informer. I want to download Process Hacker. Is that the same thing? No, I don't think so. Oh, did they? Is it one thing now? Am I tripping? I thought Process Hacker was its own thing. Oh, interesting. I guess it's called System Informer now. System Informer, Process Hacker. The official successor to Process Hacker. Wow, I did not know that at all. Winget installed Choco. Does that work? I haven't used Choco yet, so this is all kind of, I don't know, new to me, I guess. All right, we can close this. We can actually delete proof of concept.exe and proof of concept.nim. Oh my gosh, I freaking hate Windows. I hate it so much. You can't even do, like, I guess remove item would have been better. All right. Can you, like, how much can we rice Windows? You know what I mean? Like, I'm very curious now. Like, what the extent of, like, the amount of ricing I can do would be. Downloads. So let's delete. We'll go to toolbox. We'll include this into our toolbox. I might just save the toolbox to my home server, so we can just pull it down or something. We don't need these. Installers. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, whoa. No. I'm not installing System Informer into my documents folder. That was an accident. Install. Next. Okay. Nice. So System Informer is installed. Let's open it to our taskbar for now. I want to, how do you replace it? How do you replace Task Manager? Enable kernel mode driver, enable warning, start hidden. There's a way you can replace Task Manager. Cool. We'll figure it out later. Oh, System Informer is not the default. Task Manager, make default. Yes, there you go. There's no need to rice Windows. Microsoft knows it's best. Of course, yeah. All hail Microsoft. Cool. That's fine. I would like to just make this like dark somehow, but I guess that's something we can't do. Maybe we'll figure it out later. Okay, so that installer auto deleted. That's nice. Okay, is there anything else we need? Or is that it? We don't really need stuff like PE Bear. Oh, yeah, that's one thing I do want to get. Actually, not PE Bear, but CD tools. CD to PE. Where's my R Studio, PE Studio? Yeah, this right here. So Nemo, Alt Shift 0. Okay. Here, I'm going to move that over there. We are going to delete all of these. Okay. And where's PE View? Sorry, PE Studio. Got you right there. Toolbox. Okay. Extract all. Extract. Cool. And then let's add this to our environment. Environment variables, path, new, paste. Okay. Yeah, the thing is, I don't have. Oh, Procmon, thank you for the Sysinternals suite. What am I thinking, dude? That's what I needed. Sysinternals. Yeah, thank you for reminding me. Dark mode settings, personalization. Yeah, the thing is, I don't have Windows activated on this virtual machine, so I don't think I can do much personalization stuff. But I did. Yeah, choose color, dark. Yeah, so I have that enabled. I did that through the registry, but yeah, Sysinternals suite. Thank you for reminding me. Okay, so let's go to downloads. Strategy Sysinternals suite. Nice. So let's go ahead and go to our toolbox, paste this, go in here, and we are just going to add it to our path. So environment variables, path, new, and let's just save this. Okay, okay, okay. Nice. And then Procmon is the only one I actually really need. So Procmon 64.exe. Agree? Yes. All right, and we can pin this to taskbar. Options, theme, dark. Okay. And then options, fonts, and we'll make the fonts maybe like 16. That's a little too big. Do like 14. Okay. See how Procmon looks. There you go. Cool. So we can close that. All right, and I think that's all the tools we need. Let me look at my tools. We got Sysinternals, HXD, Process Hacker, Visual Studio. Yeah. Okay, the last thing I want to try to get is see if we can get NeoVim onto this thing. Winget, install NVim. Oh, there you go. So nvim works. I didn't even try Sysinternals, but we can figure out a way of doing that later. While we're here, let's go ahead, desktop. We can close this file. Let's go to the desktop, cut this file, go to toolbox, installers, paste in here. Oh, something I do want to get is duplicity. Do you know how I can interact with msconfig? For example, boot and tools section in my C code. I'm not following. I am sorry. Download for Windows. Okay, this is good progress. This is like really good progress. We now have a virtual machine that we can mostly do everything on. Let me see, nvim. Oh no. You have them? nvim? Do we have to make a new PowerShell? Oh, there you go. So let's put my dot files in here. Let's see if they'll work. Do we have get? Oh, we need get, don't we? Winget install get. Oh, whoops. I always forget that you can't use like Linux commands within Windows PowerShell. So winget install get.get. Now over here, let's open up CD into, oh my gosh, yes. CD into development, toolbox, installers, and nvim into the install.ps1. Let me see if we can, yeah, our music's about to run out. Is there any more like royalty free? Here you go. We're just picking some random royalty free music. I'm not trying to get anything. So yeah, now that get should be installed. Installer will request to run as administrator. Yeah, so you need like a new terminal every time. Cool. So git clone https://github.com/prettyboycosmo/.files. Sign in with your browser. That's funny. Okay, let me do this really quick. So we're gonna go off screen real quick. All right, let me do this 2FA. How are we doing, chat? I'm just doing the 2FA right now. I know you guys can't see my screen. Just be patient. Okay, that worked. So let's go back so you guys can see what I'm doing. Cool, it says succeeded. All right, so can I clone the repository now? Pretty boy Cosmo slash dot files. What do you mean repository not found? Oh, I misspelled files, dude. Dot files. NVim store config and app store on. Oh, NVim stores configs and app data. Thank you. I was going to need to know that. All right, so cd into my dot files, cd into dot config nvim. All right, copy everything in here and save it to whack users, Blue Cosmo, app data, nvim. All right, yep, we are going to just open File Explorer because I have no idea where this saves. So users, Blue Cosmo, where's app data? Okay, we will figure this out. Local maybe? nvim data. Is that right? Or is that in roaming? No, I don't see anything. So yeah, it's probably local nvim data. Maybe here? I honestly have no idea. App data, local, nvim. There you go. So the two files should be in there now. Let's. Nope. Okay. Windows nvim config location. User profile, app data, local, nvim. Got you. Okay, so I have to make that directory. That makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. So let's close this. Make dir nvim list nvim data. So we want to copy nvim data slash init.lua and put it in nvim. Sorry, I actually meant to move. So move. What? Isn't like move item or some, yeah, move item nvim data init.lua to nvim. Does that work? Oh my gosh. I hate Windows. I don't, how do you, this is not a PowerShell oriented, this is not a terminal oriented operating system. This sucks. Here, you know what? I'm just going to do this by hand, dude. Control X. Control V. Replace this file. Doesn't matter if you copy and no, I wanted to move it so I didn't have to like delete it later. Okay, let's cd back home. So if we just run nvim. All right, install everything. Okay, we'll let it install. Honestly, PowerShell 7 is way better than what Windows ships with 5.4. Am I not even on the latest? Bruh. Oh man, I love Windows. I don't think I've put out there how much I love this operating system, but all right, Tree Sitter's doing this thing. So yeah, I'll let it finish installing. And close this. We got Duplicity. Let's install that while we're here. Downloads, Duplicity. Run anyway. Next, I accept. Next install. Yes. And then this should be empty. What? Oh, did I? Oh, I'm stupid. Okay, hold on. This needs to be in our toolbox, which means I need to modify our environment. Environment variables, our path, and then where we have our Sysinternals suite, we can copy and update that path because that is not the right path at all. What? Development toolbox Sysinternals suite. Okay, whatever, dude. I'm not even going to trip about it. Whatever, dude. It's whatever. Yeah, this unpin. We don't need to launch Duplicity now. Actually, yeah, finish. So first of all, System Informer. Okay, that's not what I meant to type. Okay, what is going on? This. Hi, bros. What's up, Cybercheck? Yeah, I blame Microsoft for that. Windows PowerShell is a complete different application than Windows than PowerShell. I bet. Winget install ID Microsoft PowerShell source Winget. Okay, I actually will. I'll try that. We'll run this in the background. Oh, there you go. We need to make the. What? What? Did it just crash? What? Or did I accidentally close it? Terminal. My gosh, bro. If your machine is multi-user environment, i.e. the machine has more than one user, you need to set password. Do you want to set a password now? Yes. All right, well, I'll do this stuff later. Right now, terminal. No way. What? You guys see that, right? If I type in terminal. Oh my gosh. All right, we're rebooting. Windows sucks. Windows sucks. Windows sucks. You cannot convince me. Otherwise, I don't want to hear a single Windows superior nerd in this freaking chat. I don't care. All right, let's reboot this thing because that was pissing me off. Haven't had that happen before? Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I'm just hoping a fresh little restart. I was thinking the same thing, Ivajon. I was thinking the same thing. I'm glad you said it before me. All right, Windows Terminal. When launching system root, termination behavior can be. All right. What? What? Windows terminal termination behavior. Don't tell me this is a feature. PowerShell.exe is broken. PowerShell. Fancy PowerShell works. What's wrong with terminal? What? All right. Store. Terminal. I'm just going to uninstall it and reinstall it. Is there not an uninstall button on the Windows Store? Oh my gosh. Okay. Terminal. Right click. Install. Install. Okay, it's gone. Let's reinstall it. Install real PowerShell? Yeah, let me do that real quick. What was the command again? I saw it earlier. Okay. We get install. Well, that does its thing. Let's go to terminal. No thanks. I think I hit like Control Shift something, and then like the entire terminal just blew up and refused. Excuse me, and just refused to start working again. I have no idea what was going on, but whatever, dude. Close this. All right, PowerShell 7.4.2. Nice. So that worked. Let's close this. We can close this. Real quick, let's view and just not show desktop icons. There you go. It's looking a little bit more Linuxy. Do I have to redo the freaking settings again? Appearance. Where's the themes? Color schemes. Let's go back to solarized. Oh, actually, one half dark looks kind of interesting. I feel like this is what all like the cool kids use. It says default. Or does PowerShell just not give a crap? Is PowerShell just too cool for like for themes? What about normal PowerShell? It's all black. Appearance. Cascadia Mono. All right, let's go up to 18 maybe. Save. Close all. All right, let's try terminal again. There you go. What? I do not like that at all. This theme sucks. I don't care what you guys say. That theme sucks. Color schemes. Let's go back to solarized to save. Says default. All right, is this pinned? Yes, it is. Okay, so we close that. Open this up again. It's still on this shit theme. Color schemes. I thought I chose solarized. I just said make this the, like, you guys saw me hit set as default. Like, this isn't something like set as default. Okay. So what is the issue we're having here, Microsoft? All cool kids use Grubbox. Shut up. Using Windows PowerShell this entire time has caused me so much anxiety. I know. You see this beautiful thing here called the freaking terminal? Look, I can type in ls, and by hitting Control L, boom, boom. You can't do that on freaking. Actually, you might be able to. Yeah, you can do that. Okay, cool. But if you try to use like Control A, it doesn't work. Whatever, dude. All right, default profile is fine. Can we just choose our freaking appearance? Color schemes. Solarized dark. Set as default. Why won't it let me just pick the theme? What happened to the pick me? Oh my gosh, I don't like this at all. This has been Bash works better out of the box than PowerShell. Go back to defaults and settings. Appearance. Solarized dark. Okay. Let's just close it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna, the war crimes about to be committed on freaking Windows. This is insane. Defaults? Even if I go on PowerShell, appearance? There you go. I see. Solarized dark. Okay, did that fix it? Appearance. Okay, why is everything on one half? Solarized. Color schemes. Set as default. Defaults. Appearance. Okay. Fill box. Okay, so if we go in here and we click on appearance, it should say solarized. If we go on command prompt, click on appearance, it should say solarized. If we click on the developer command prompt and we go on appearance, it should say solarized. Okay, so if all of this is true, that I should be able to close this thing, open PowerShell up again, and it's stole. Because default color scheme and terminal got broken at some point. Bro, the application got broken at some point. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. People came here to watch us set up a malware dev environment, and now they have to sit here and watch shitty Windows at its finest. And JSON directly. How do you even access that? Bro, why is it back in one half? Oh, did I not? Do I have to like? Okay, I see what's happening. So PowerShell, appearance, developer command prompt, appearance. PowerShell developer command prompt, appearance. Okay. There's no way. Close all. Finally, there you go. Round of applause, everybody. Good game. My gosh. All right, can we add opacity? I mean, this is more entertaining. Yeah, probably. Yeah, configuration is so hell on Windows, dude. Okay. Appearance. Yeah, I'm curious. Can we have image opacity, or is that not an option? Or window opacity, sorry. Do you know? Retro terminal effects, such as glowing text and scan lines. That sounds cool. Padding. Oh, I see. Background opacity. Let's go to 80%. Okay. Let's see how this looks. Did I even do anything? Oh, dude. That looks so bad. Bro forgot his save. Yeah, I think it did. Oh, I see what's wrong. Yeah, it's because this freaking window size is so weird, so I couldn't see the actual save. What was that cool thing about the terminal? Retro terminal effects. All right, save. If I hit save a bunch of times, did it just crash? Bro, I'm spamming my mouse right now. Oh, what the hell? That looks so weird. Do you see this, right? Like, I clicked the plus button. This is... But does PowerShell not responding? Oh my god, dude. Oh my gosh. Bro, that looks so shit. That looks so shit. Have you guys used Cool Retro Term, by the way? Here. Look. Oh, let me see. Do I still have Cool Retro Term? Oh, I don't. Sudo apt install Cool Retro Term. Let me show you what this looks like, guys. Just so we can get like a compare and contrast. So, Cool Retro Term. This is like the Linux Cool Retro Term, you know? It has like that cool bar and stuff. And there's like cool things you can do, like futuristic here profiles. It's like the Apple II. You see what I'm saying? Like you have like, I don't know. So this is the Linux one, and the Windows wasn't even responding at some point. Bro, Windows. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Alt 8, Windows Q. Yeah, that does not look... Okay. We're going to disable that stuff because I thought it would be cool, but I guess Windows is just not built like that. Oh my gosh, dude. No, I like to actually see what's on the screen. Yeah, me too, man. You know, I actually like to use my computer, but Windows just does not seem to be a fan of that. Okay, so let's go back to defaults. appearance. Let's turn off that cool retro effects thing because it is not cool. Okay, Windows. There you go. What was the other thing we enabled? Transparency? We'll keep transparency. I like that. All right, can I type shit now? There you go. Jeez. Okay, why is this color scheme so weird? Why is the background blue? You see that? All right. So color schemes, solarized dark. Where's that blue coming from? Is that this blue? Is that something we can like just disable in the color scheme or? Bright colors. Do we just do both font? Okay, let's see if we try this. It doesn't destroy our freaking computer. What? That completely took away the freaking transparency effects we had once had. All right, turn that off. And then save. And then the only other thing I want to try to fix is like why the freaking color scheme looks so weird. Can we just change this blue to like, I don't know. Here, let's try that. If you can't code without a screen, are you really a programmer? That's real. We first got rid of the mouse, and now we got rid of the screen. Just use your Apple Vision Pro. You know what I mean? Okay. What the fuck? I didn't mean to drop the F-bomb, but this color scheme is so bad. Now, okay, this is insane. I'm not using no light theme. Y'all are tripping if you think I'm using a light theme. This theme is horrible though. Are there like any good like freaking color schemes that you can make your own? I don't think I can port over my terminal color scheme, unfortunately. Though it would be very nice. I would love that. Pretty sure that's a PowerShell thing. Oh yeah, I'm not even surprised. All right, let's see if we can see. Look at this. This doesn't look like what I have. This color scheme cannot be deleted or named by default. Okay, let's save this. Let's close this. And let's, so if I actually try to run PowerShell, oh, I thought I was going to run the terminal. Isn't that a thing you can do, right? Yeah, this looks not good. Do you guys like how that looks, or am I tripping? Like, am I? Like, am I like just? I don't know. That green is ugly. Can we make discard changes? All right, you know what? We're making our own theme. Let's try it. Color scheme 10. No, it looks. Yeah, no, it looks not good. That's what I thought. Yeah, it does not look. Can we make our own color scheme? We can. Selection background. Okay, hold on. Before I even try to make my own thing. Can we just like... Dude, I don't even know, dude. I honestly don't even know. Maybe that, dude. Malware cross, yeah, I know. If you mount partition with folders as NTFS and the link, same thing happens, I guess this way. Having everything newest PowerShell. Malware, no. Ricing, yes. Yep. You guys thought this was going to be a malware stream, didn't you? I caught you guys again. Reeled you in real good. Okay, I think my webcam's working again, actually. So we'll try to bring the webcam back into action. There you go. Take the webcam down. There you go. Okay, we're back. We finished installing a bunch of bullcrap, so I guess we can use the webcam again. Let's take a 10-second break. Let's figure this out. Because I hate the direction of which this Windows freaking environment is taking me. Use dir like a real Windows user? Do I look like a real Windows user to you? I'm using this shit in a freaking VM. Cosmo face reveal? I know, right? He's a glowy. You see that? No, I'm playing. I am not a glowy. All right, let's figure this out because this is pissing me off. Close all. Okay, I like that green now. I still hate the look of this freaking blue. Can we just disable that? Like, do we need to have this weird highlighting on? Cosmo, check your DMs to send you some things for Windows that might be useful. Oh, Titus Tech, yes. He's quite the Chad. Free PowerShell that looks good and functions almost as good as a Linux terminal. Got you. Oh, that is pretty neat. Okay, I will look into those. I'm gonna spend like 30 more seconds trying to fix the Solarize thing, and whatever doesn't get done doesn't get done. Can we just do a? Can we just do black? I feel like you can't go wrong with black, you know. You know what? I can deal with that for now. That's like not horrible enough for me to care. C2 development, toolbox installers. Oh, look at that yellow, dude. Okay. What we're going to do is we're just going to take all the like urine looking colors and just make them look like decent. I don't know. Bright yellow is fine. Is there any other weird colors here? Just orange maybe. Make it like a more vibrant orange. More towards the red orange. Like, yeah, like that orange. All right. Any other urine ass colors? It's pink. And I think that's it from what I can see on here. So save. All right, we'll close PowerShell. We'll open up PowerShell. All right, so CD into development, all this stuff, list. That's better. Honestly, I can deal with that. Bro made lemon tree dark in like 5 minutes. Yep. All right, that's good enough, honestly. That's the max ricing we're going to do for this stuff. All right. One other thing is, can we set this as the default PowerShell? Oh, there's the OpenJSON file. I wish I saw that earlier. Advanced. There's a way you can replace Windows PowerShell with Windows Terminal. Do you guys know how to do that? Default profile, open tab, launch size, launch parameters, interaction. There's a way you can just say, hey, use me instead of PowerShell. Honestly, I don't even know if I want to do that. I'm scared. After seeing how bad this thing has been. You used to be able to in Windows 10, but I feel like they removed it. Okay. Pretty sure there's a way to have it. Okay. Well, we won't worry about it then. We won't worry about it. Okay. So let's kind of have an insanity check. Let's make sure we're on the right track with everything we need to do. So I think we have all the tools we need, right? So if we go VS Codium, can we pin to our taskbar, and then Visual Studio, we can pin this to our taskbar as well. We need HXD, pin to taskbar. Okay. Procmon 64, we can pin. Okay, we'll just run it and pin it to our taskbar when it's running. Pin to taskbar. Cool. All right, and how? Okay, so let me check out this PowerShell profile stuff, because I know you can have pretty cool PowerShell profiles in this. Oh, on the startup default profile? Interesting. IRM to blah 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 setup.ps1. Interesting. Microsoft PowerShell profile. So let me see what he has. So he has chocolatey, update profile, update PowerShell, admin prompt customization. Interesting. So he has some aliases. Export. Oh, so he has a bunch of functions that are basically Linux commands. That's funny, dude. Oh, lazy get. That's pretty neat. I'm not going to integrate this yet. I would like to build my own one out. Okay, we may have to do like a Windows Rising adventure at some point, because I like the idea of this. I like it a lot. I'm not going to integrate his yet, but I do want to integrate something similar. Okay. So I think I need to port over some of my other things. All right, so first of all, let's get duplicity over here. Let's get this thing over here. And then is there anything else that I need to set up in this? Like that, Procmon. Let me check out Alt-D, youtube.com. Okay, let's go on. There's my MCS. All right, let's go to live streams. And in the past, I did have a malware development lab. Okay, look at that. Oh, dude, that was a forever ago. Wow. Okay. I just want to see what I ended up having on my like taskbar in this virtual machine. So I have like the different command tools. Yeah, let's put this, leave that up here. Let's move that down with Procmon. File Explorer can come right after the browser. Oh, I gotcha. I missed what I was trying to do. No worries. All right, we can close this. We don't need this anymore. We don't need this anymore. In fact, we can sudo apt remove cool retro term. What? There you go. I see. I love the look of my Linux. Like, look at my Linux computer, and then, and then look at my Windows computer. Like, it's night and day. Which is unfortunate, but it's all good. Do I have anything else by the end of this video? No, that's my. Oh, I need to make a snapshot. Yeah, no, I pretty much stay with that. I'm curious to see my. Where's my, ultimate malware analysis lab? Nope, that's not what I'm trying to open up. I freaking hate that video. I might delete that video. It's so stupid. Okay, mute. So yeah, this is me installing. Yeah, is there any other tools that kind of... Okay, that's me setting up the other stuff. Okay, so last thing I'm going to check before... Yeah, Windows definitely leaves a lot to be desired when it comes to theming. Yeah, definitely. Let me look at this malware analysis we did. I'm trying to make sure I'm not like missing any tools. Because even though this is my malware development box, there's still a lot of things that I don't want to leave out. There you go. Well, yeah, Visual Studio, I have Commander. I'll use that for malware analysis. Cutter. Oh, Ghidra. Yeah, Ghidra is something I do want to get on the development box. All right, that'll be the last thing, I think. Winget. Let's see if Ghidra's on here. I doubt it. Yep. So let's do Ghidra. You can theme it. You just have to do it all manually. Yeah, no, I'm good. All right, let's go to the releases. And let's get the Ghidra 11 code. Actually, I'm not sure if I need Ghidra on this box. I'll keep the install there, but I don't think I'm actually going to need it. Winget install Chaco. All right. I'll look into Chaco because you keep talking about it and it looks interesting. Chaco. Okay, so like, if I wanted to, hold on, let me go to this. So if we go into like the development, CD into our toolbox, CD into installers. Yeah, I still hate the way this looks, for the record. This looks so bad. This looks terrible. I like everything but like this stuff. Like the green is fine, this text is fine. We'll figure it out later, but I could not be a Windows user for a day. All right, install that PS1. So I'm gonna have to go back through the stream and see what I installed. Past nvim, Sysinternals, like, because we just had to do a bunch of manual stuff. Excuse me. Oh, do the nerf fonts not work? Oh, we need to install those later. Okay, yeah, honestly, I think I might call it, because this is this is something on its own. Yeah, we'll close that. Alright, but I think I got everything I actually needed to restart some development on the Windows side. Because I have like, here, Alt8, let's Q. Right, like I have my other machines like Flare and some other stuff for like malware analysis. And I used to have a malware development box on here, but I just got rid of it. So this is the new one. Let's take a snapshot. We'll delete this, base install. Okay. Hello? What is going on, dude? This is... Chuck has all the nerf fonts in his repo. Okay, you are shouting Chaco out to like the fullest possible extent. Oh, are you sure you probably want to delete this like snapshots? Yes. Let me put this to 0. Okay. So base install tools and styling added. Okay. But yeah, I keep talking about Chaco, so I'll probably look into it and I'll make a better like installation script. That's definitely something I would like to do in a future video. Hey, Chaco's great. I bet it best be great if you you hyping it up like this. Okay, we don't need that. All right, I think I'm gonna call it here. I appreciate you guys for sticking it through the thick and thin of setting this virtual machine up. There'll be more future content where we can actually start doing some more malware stuff. Once again, I kind of took a break from a lot of the malware stuff, kind of focus on my own projects, but I think I want to start recording some more stuff in that space. So we'll get back into it. Other than that, appreciate you guys for watching. So yeah, stay happy, stay positive, happy hacking.